What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, Mpumelelo Mseleko has publicly addressed that breakup, with Vuyokazi, revealing that, despite the end of their relationship, he still plans to marry multiple wives. So, he was speaking, with the Daily Sun, and he wished Vuyokazi well, but he made it very, very clear that Vuyokazi's departure is not going to stop his polygamous vision. So, this calm farewell, it however contrasts, with deeper frustrations he has hinted at in interviews and even in Uthando Nestembu, where he suggested that the relationship was strained, by emotional disagreements and conflicting values. The tone implies that Mpumelelo, felt restricted and that his vision of family leadership was sort of like challenged, but possibly leading to emotional disconnection and resentment beneath the surface. So this is just, Mpumelelo Mseleko's frustration with your relationship with Vuyokazi. I'll catch you guys on the next one.